On this episode of Your Girl Bree Whips, we have Darius in the building, business owner, philanthropist, and actor, to whip up some shrimp and grits.
I'm excited to get this cooking started. I'm hungry and I'm ready to see what you have in store for us, so let's do it.
Hey, let's go. Darius, you're going to be in the new movie on BET, Always a Bridesmaid.
Yeah.
You have your own business. You have a girls' nonprofit camp called Girl
Yeah.
Power, soccer camp. What else, just let's talk about it a little bit.
Starting off in New York City, I just grinded from college, started my businesses, opened a restaurant, opened a bar, and then while on my journey of becoming this entrepreneur from small, got into acting because I've always wanted to be a part of it and give back to inspire people through my art. So got into acting and moved out to Los Angeles.
Okay.
And while out here, I'm an ex-soccer player and I wanted to incorporate the soccer side of it to inspiring people. And I grew up in a house of women, so I wanted to do something girl power-wise. So that's why I came up with Girl Power, and it was a big camp in San Diego and LA this summer. And we're looking to do it again Thanksgiving and moving forward. And I did create a podcast called 1,000 Failures.
That's what I forgot.
Yeah, which you heard about.
Man, 1,000 Failures. Talk a little bit about that.
Well, the 1,000 Failures podcast is basically off of the Denzel Washington quote, each one teach one. So as much as I learn, I want to give back to new people and new actors and artists coming out. So I have casting directors, actors, agents on my podcast for actors and creatives, and that's what my podcast is for.
And that's super dope and super intentional for now. I feel like as millennials, we're going into the age of being our own bosses.
Right.
And I think providing that insight is something everyone needs to take in. So you guys need to tune into 1,000 Failures. So you're familiar with spice, I'm assuming.
Yes, in Trinidad and the Caribbean, we cook with a lot of spice
Yeah?
and seasoning. So,
Okay, so you're not shy to this.
so I'm ready. I want something seasoned, a little spicy.
Hey, that's all we do on Your Girl Bree Whips, seasoned and spicy, okay? All right, so first we're gonna start with our Southern creamy grits.
All
Have you
right.
had grits before?
Never had grits.
Oh, it's a great day. It's a great day on Your Girl Bree Whips today. Okay, so I've measured out already a 4th cup of grits. I'm just gonna
All right.
pour it right on in.
Let's do it. 4 cups of grits.
Yes.
Wow, this is the famous grits. Where do
Yes, and you just put it right into
All
the
right.
pan. And then we've got our whipping cream, and we've got chicken broth. So if
Bree
you really
Whips.
Bree Whips,
Okay.
okay? Bree Whips.
Bree Whips.
Bree Whips whipping cream. Right, so we're gonna do 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream.
Wow, that looking heavy.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty heavy. It's
Yes.
pretty heavy. Then we're going to do 1/2 cup of free-range chicken broth on a medium heat, and I'm just gonna have you start to stir.
All right, let me.
You're in charge.
Bree Whips.
mess this up now.
Darius Whips.
So then we're going to go ahead and season a little bit. I have some Creole seasoning. I love to use Creole seasoning because it adds an extra kick to your food. It's slightly not spicy. It's like a mild, you know?
Well, I want that kind of spicy flavor, so let's do that.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm just gonna sprinkle some in. There, and you're just gonna continue to stir.
Yes.
And then as we, ooh, it smells good
It's
already.
starting to get
huh?
already.
Yay, okay.
What's next?
We're gonna get started on our shrimp dish.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you also, we're gonna ignite
All
this
right,
to a
let me
medium heat. Ignite it, ignite it, ignite it. Is it on?
Ignited, medium.
Boom. And then we're gonna go ahead and start with our onion, pepper, and garlic.
Yeah.
All right, look at you sauteing. He's a pro. But this is because you have that restaurant, huh?
Yes.
Do you ever find yourself in the kitchen at the restaurant?
I don't find myself at Pearl's restaurant in Williamsburg.
Hey, plug it.
But we have some amazing Caribbean chefs, and a lot of the
Nice.
food is very seasoned. And the second you step into Pearl's, you smell it. You know,
Yeah.
so I can smell this already.
What's your favorite dish on the menu?
Shark.
Shark.
Yup, there's something called baked, and shark is the national dish in Trinidad. Shark
Wow.
meat, yes.
Okay.
It's like a bun.
Okay.
And then there's shark meat inside.
Wow.
And it's just amazing. So
Okay, I'm
when
gonna
you
have
go
to
to when you
try
go to
it.
Pearl's in New York,
Yes.
you're gonna try bacon shark.
You guys have to go to Pearl's
Shark.
in New York to try this. And as you can see, our grits are thickening.
That. Yeah.
Hey. All right, so now we're gonna add in our stewed tomatoes. We're gonna only add in 1/2 of this, so go ahead and pour it. Yeah.
All right, I don't want to get in trouble.
No, you won't
Okay.
get in trouble. Hey. So we're gonna add in now the Creole spices, only a little bit on top of the tomatoes. See, you're not new to this. He's
Whoa.
new to this. Okay.
Whoa.
See, spices. Spices.
Woo.
This is my secret, okay?
See what our secret is.
So the secret is liquid smoke. So this will give your food a nice smoky flavor. I don't eat pork bacon. A lot of people cook their shrimp and grits with pork bacon, but this is like the secret to like making it still smoky. Oh, he likes bacon. He likes bacon. Okay. So for all of our bacon lovers, you can add
how much do I put in this?
just a splash.
But I'm a
Splash it in
lover.
there. Splash.
But I like a lot.
Okay, well, whatever you feel.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay, Darius.
I
Okay.
see. Ah. Guys, take notes.
This will win the lady's heart over, I promise, okay? It will make you seem like you're a top chef. So we're gonna have you add that in on top of the tomatoes. Go ahead and just like put it right on in there.
It's nothing like, it's sophisticated. It's not like fried chicken.
It's not like fried, you don't wanna do that. Don't bring the Popeye's new chicken sandwich and put some candles. That's not the vibe, y'all.
The
That's
shrimp,
nonsense.
the shrimp gives you a kind of luxurious finish.
Hey, exactly, and that's what
And
we're on.
it smells so good.
Now, y'all, I'm from the South. I add hot sauce into everything, okay? So we're gonna just go ahead.
What's that?
This is that good Crystal
Okay.
hot sauce, okay?
So in the Caribbean, we have pepper sauce.
Oh.
Is that
okay.
similar to pepper sauce
It's
and
a
hot
little
sauce?
bit. It's different flavors, but similar spices. Yes, go ahead. I know you say you like spicy. Oh, okay, Darius. Oh, hit him with the little. Oh. All right, so as this is cooking, Darius, are you ready for a turn and twisted challenge?
You know what? Let's freaking lose it! Get out of your mind! Get out of your mind!
All right. All right, let's do it.
Okay, so we're gonna do cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers is a game where we tell each other pickup lines until we see who laughs first.
All right.
All right, so you wanna go first since you're the guest?
Well, I mean, let me just go in my pocket to
Hey,
find some pickup lines because, yeah, all right.
All right,
All right.
Let's do it. For example, I'll use an example.
All right, you
or
go
no,
first.
I'm not gonna
Yes,
use an
use an example.
Whew, let me think. All right, you wanna start or do you want me to start?
I guess that.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Well, since we're on the topic of food right now, girl, you so fine. You like grits before the full cream.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, and then he's gonna put, okay. I see you, Darius. You coming strong. Ooh, baby. I see you looking like some fine wine. Got some cheese to pair with that fine wine. That was so bad. I'm not good at this. I'm not good at my own game.
Whip.
Hey, is it time to eat?
Up.
Is it?
I am
Hey!
hungry right
I am
about
too.
now.
I am too. So let's plate it. Can you grab that plate for
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
I'm gonna put one more on top.
5.
To top it,
Yeah, when I was
yeah.
a kid, I never got so much meat.
Oh. Look at you now, all grown up. All right, so you ready to try in
Grits.
our presentation?
Grits for the first time.
Grits for the first time. Are you scared?
I am excited.
Excited.
Let's do
All
it.
right, first bite.
Grit?
Let's try it. Get a little shrimp in there too. What are your
Grits.
thoughts?
The
Ooh.
famous. All right, shrimp time.
Let's see if I made you a fan. Well, really, you made it yourself. Oh. Just gonna try a
You
little
could
bit.
get- How was that? How's my cooking?
Darius, you killed it. You killed it with my supervision. Killed it. Oh man. Oh man. Mmm.
Let me see that whip it. Let me see that brie whips. Brie whips.
Millie,
Brie whips over here. Look.
you know it's good if it makes you dance. Ooh.
I appreciate what you're doing because a lot of creative people are so afraid to put their talents. You have talents and you have your ability and you have a great voice as well too. And I know people probably told you that, but it was probably so scary for you to get on here, do your show, and put it out there. So the second I heard that you were doing this, I was like, I have to because I love to see creative people put their talents
Yeah.
out there.
Yeah.
We have YouTube, we have
So many
Instagram,
things.
we have
Yeah.
Facebook. So if you're listening and you're creative, just put whatever skill and talent that you
Yeah,
have
just do it.
out there for the world, and everyone will reward you in time to come.
Exactly. So you guys want to make sure you stay tuned on Darius. Follow him at.
Darius Marcelin or 1000failures.com.
What can we stay tuned on?
Just giving a positive message out there for creatives and artists, all right?
Always. Thank you so much for being a
No
part.
worries, Kerry.
I mean,
Cheers.
cheers.